I miss your body, I miss your face.
Welcome to Mr. On. Today you're here with Mr. Christian. We are here with
Vanessa.
V-La-Nessa.
And her father.
And her father.
Yeah.
They're on the adventure of your lifetime.
Hey guys, it is Saturday and it's a new vlog. Yes, today I'm going to Montego Bay because I'm going to meet my previous employer, which is the previous H2b employer in the state where I was the last season vlog. Yes, we're going to meet up with them. They're doing lunch for us and they came out here on vacation, but they also want to do like a lunch to with all of the workers that was there and that is planning to go back. So that's where I'm gonna go. Waiting on Bessie to pick me up. We were supposed to pick up another ex-co-worker, but he went ahead before us. So we'll be traveling alone. Now this is what I'm wearing. This is from Shein. Pick up Shein, yeah. It's cheap and clean. Yeah, with that Bridget Michael Kors watch and yeah, just silver jewelry as usual. And yeah, I'm ready for the road. I woke up this morning and look about sausage and baked bean, no, frankfurter and baked bean with fried dumpling and iced tea. So yeah, I've been up and I also did my hair in this little bun thing. I think it's cute, you know, little drops here so and some to the front and then my guest glasses and then I did a little minimalistic makeup. Yeah, but welcome to my channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, like the like button, turn on the post notification and share it to your friends and family and tell them to come over here because over here we share what is real.
Trouble understanding the incredible sacrifice and commitment you guys make, leaving your families and your children and your husbands and your wives and your spouses and your friends.
I know there's not that much money in the world. We could keep her all the time. We have to send her back every time. No, we love you all so much. As Richard said, thank you for taking the time to come here. It's so strange seeing everybody.
It is really
strange. Normal clothes. Here we are. I said to Julie, maybe since put a certain tie on the suit. You know, here we are, all pink and green or whatever colours we are. The good news is we've had an amazing time here in your beautiful island this week. The bad news is when you arrive next week, we're not going to be there because we're staying here. So we're reverse H2Bs. You go in there, we're going to stay here. We love having you. We can't wait to see you back. Thank you for all you do. You're very, very special people. Karen, thank you for organising this. Thank you for making the journey here. And the next journey, hopefully you make of any significance. We're getting on that plane to come to Atlanta, and we'll see you all in a couple of weeks.
We will, and I will tell you this, we had curry goat last night. And I've learned it's not goat curry, it's curry goat. Which is
that is his favorite thing from a child as a child.
I lived here in 74 for a year, and that was my favorite. So anyway, I will tell you that it was good, but it was nowhere near as good as the curry goat we had down at York House for Jamaican Independence Day. Conroy? Conroy. So I wish Conroy was here, but if you see him, tell him his curry goat was way better than what we had last night. But he's still in the States.
In Colorado?
And I'm missing all of our wonderful family that's still in the States. But we'll see them next month. So anyway, love you guys. Thank you so much.
See you all soon. Thank you.
Chef Chris, you gotta say something.
Oh, yeah.
This could go south.
I may have to translate. This is drunken. I'm going to go up.
What I will say is, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys have made me as successful as I could become. because of your hard work and dedication and drive that has made Madison's and our food and beverage team to be part of what we've done. Without you guys, we'd be nothing. Coombs, you know that.
You know my style.
I know your style. Come on.
Go Brenton. Go Brenton.
Brenton's changed the world at Madison.
We are you.
Yeah, well, that's unfortunate, but you're gonna have to
Cleanest
see
rooms
me.
ever.
Cleanest rooms ever. You guys, Michelle, everybody, thank you so much. Love you guys.
So obviously, we talk about family, and I truly believe when I first came to Old Edwards, and I've not been here as long as many of the people that are on the EOC that are joining. I felt like I was on the outside looking in. I was like, this whole family thing, I don't know if I buy into it, but I will tell you, I am definitely 100% in, and we certainly know that it's our family that makes this very, very special. And like Richard said, we could not do it without you. So we're welcoming you back. Tell a friend. Let me or Miss Susan know, and we'll go through all the things we have to do to get you and those that you may know to join us. A little bit of a plug: if you refer somebody and they can get there, I'll pay you $300 for bringing them to Old Edwards. So that is a fact.
We think we got the taxi driver today.
And his son.
Coombs, hold on to that. That's $300. That's $300.
Coombs is on
Anyway, thank you all. Obviously, many of you made an effort to be here. Like Richard said, the sacrifices you made. I was talking about that earlier when folks were just getting here. We could not do it without you. We're so grateful. We understand the sacrifices you made to come to our property in a little town in the mountains of North Carolina. And without you, it would not be what it is today. So bless you, family.
Take home.
Please take chicken wings, man. Those are the best chicken wings I've ever had. With a little Scotch bonnet sauce on. So help yourself.
Mike, you would have done this.
What's going on? No, bijou.
You know, go and laugh and greet the people then. I see them next couple of weeks, you know, such a. That's how you guys were a family. You guys should be bonded as a family right now. I'm just one of the estranged.
I mean, I don't remember saying but nonetheless.
Yeah, man, I'm going to talk to you and say, look, if we can have advice for each other. I'll ask him, I'm going to cope. So we can get into the number. Guys meeting at least once or twice a month.
Some piece tastes good. Cold foot. Yes, cook me a cold foot.
We never really cooked cold food before, you know.
Tastes good. Soft and tender. Well, the fish, you try the fish oil like that. Do compliments on it. It's not to scratch. Perfect. This you can cook well.
So we deserve a husband now, no?
No man can tell you can cook.
Exactly. Morning, guys. So my dad is here, my uncle is here, and we're planning to go to the north course. I'm not sure where yet because in other man saying want to go that direction. I never really wanted to go because the car wants oil and then I don't have a jack. But me have a spare tire. I want to transit and go. Anything happen with us? Yeah, nothing I got. Yeah. So the plan is either to go to Rose Hall, Great House, and then Margaritaville or Mystic Mountain. The thing is, I don't want to go to Margaritaville alone because I went there already, and then Mystic Mountain I went there already. So that is where the Great House come in. So more than likely we go Great House and then the Margaritaville so that we can have a little bit of beach and food, if you understand. So I did breakfast this morning. I did saltfish fritters and kind of clean, drinking some ginger tea. I don't outside talk to him bread or something. I don't remember. I think it's his in-law. Yeah. So I just want to update you and we're gonna go on the road. So let's go.
You wanna go for it,
This is my bank account for today.
I don't mind. I'm not mind. You know when you're gonna have it again.
Exactly. Juice the bank. This not all that good. This not taste all that nice. We try it tonight.
You try? What you say? Give it a try.
It tastes like meringue. You want to see?
Meringue. No, so the problem is I'm gonna have some it's not too bad, but
it just have an acquired taste.
What tastes like? Cucumber.
No.
If you look at it, they call it. Yes,
they call it matcha. Oh, yes, some of the Island Village. Sugar daddy for today.
You won't get that for a long time again.
We are here at Mystic Mountain. You wanted to go to Dunzero Fall, but I never really feel the swim mood. But maybe after we finish, we go Dunzero. I don't know. We just got from, what do you call it, Island Village, and now we're at Mystic Mountain. So that's the pre for today.
I never used to afraid of height, you know. You want to make it, you know, like height again. But I have to risk that one, yeah.
I guess so, you have to use it to come back down.
You can see how the scene wherever. Stop.
Because somebody else will come on or come off.
Okay, so you go around and turn around.
Yeah.
You can come off of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we are up in the sky.
Stop shaking something. Because then I will not make one. You say everything got done to you. Well, you overcome your fear. You ever come here before?
No.
You go down to already, don't?
Yeah.
Exactly. Say that if you go again.
You say this a place that exists. Very far, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. You say 15 minutes.
15 minutes? That's a long.
Yeah.
How do you think we've gone 5 minutes yet? No?
You don't know.
I don't think so. I don't think we do 5 minutes yet.
You're gonna do the zip line.
The zip line?
Yeah.
I don't know what the hell is zip line.
You're gonna do it.
You gonna do it?
Yeah.
Alright.
But I last year though.
Okay, so you can come off it?
Right this, so yeah, instead of go up this.
Oh, then should be along.
Yeah.
Is there anything called zip line? You slow down and then just push you?
No, you will see. You see the line there, you go through the bush. You see the line?
That line is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You go through it.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
You can't fly. No wings.
Okay, how are you?
Good.
May I see your response, please? So we're doing, so your zip line time will be at 3 p.m.
Okay.
All right. So may I have a first and last name for one of you guys? For my
Palmer.
what's the first name?
Michael.
Michael. Michael. Sorry, guys.
So we meet the zip line, people. We come back here for the zip line?
Come back at the desk right here
Okay.
at 3 p.m.
Okay.
For zip lining.
Okay.
So, one guys. So straight ahead, out of bobsled. Zigzag walkway on this side leads to the ragamuffin, and on this side we have the obstacle course and the rock climbing. All right.
Okay.
So we also took a photograph of you coming up. You may view it on the monitor.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Is we going?
With the picture.
Am I take picture?
Sit here. Just one.
Oh, that's me.
Say it ain't so, I'm letting go.
We're gonna go on the bobsled ride. Oi. Yeah. Jesus! You are killing me.
Welcome to Mr. Morning. Today you're here with Mr. Christian. We are here with
V-La-Nessa.
V-La-Nessa.
And her father.
And her father.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're on the adventure of their lifetime, you know. Thanks for making it Mystic Mountain, you know. On this ride, you control the speed, alright? Levers on the side, you push them forward to go, you pull them back to slow yourself down. Okay. You don't break in this one, because they're not chickens.
Oh, yes, no.
Yeah. Push them forward now. I want you to protect the phone, alright? But you can hold this. You can hold that one. So you're going to record the one on?
Yeah.
Right? Keep it forward.
Okay.
Focus on the track.
Oh, so when you bring it back, it stops?
You pull it back to slow yourself down.
Okay.
Right?
Ready?
Alright, Daddy. This one's nice. What's this one's called?
DJI Pocket 3.
Just give me record one of my music video and thing, you know?
Okay.
Okay, alright, Vanessa, enjoy now.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, Bob said push the. Feel him. Feel right. Get that up.
Jesus Christ. Whoa, no brakes around here. I'm fine today. Hey. This is nice. It's not as scary as the first time. Whoa. Nice, not so bad. You have to use the lever to slow it down and go fast and slow, but you know, the girl actually, the girl go fast. And yeah. So the initial plan was to go to Rosal, and because I've never been there before, I wanted to go somewhere where we never go before, and then go to Margaritaville because it's a beach and everything. But then he wanted to go Duns River, but we never really in this swimming kind of climbing mood. So I suggested Mystic Mountain. Been here before. He have never been here, so it's kind of good, you know? Yeah. So after this, I think we're gonna go to the other one. Next one. And your next one name? I don't remember. But and then the zip line is at 3, so we have 1 hour until the zip line. You like it?
What is this speed up on it?
Oh, come on. Oh God, poor thing. Should I do it again? No, do it again. You survived.
Don't do it again, yeah? Don't give no much trouble.
Animal love.
No, very busy.
You ready?
Yeah, you figure me?
I
was screaming like that.
You say that I scream?
No.
Okay.
Hope not. Hope not. Scuba diving. I'm going scuba diving.
Scuba diving? Not the scuba diving. Same now I'm gonna scream, so let's see.
That's why I'm not getting sick. But the London's are falling, innit?
You can have only for activities.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you watch 3 o'clock, so we got another hour. Roughly.
No 3 o'clock to get the zip line.
Okay.
So everybody here so we on zip line. So we have 1 hour.
You can tell everyone until they say that was good. I don't have any vaccine.
Buckle up, buckle up.
Alright, just secure all the personal belongings, don't lose anything, alright?
Thank you. That's it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Here we go. Remember, don't lose that, okay?
I won't.
Here we go, here we go. Whoa. Anybody ever jump out any of these yet?
I don't know. I don't want to know. Exactly a glide.
Must swing around like a yo-yo. Oh, here we go.
Alright, here we go now. Oh. We don't start go down yet.
No.
Remember you saying I scream.
Oh my God!
Good.
Nephew. He's a nephew.
What one, Daddy?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Thank you.
No problem, my lady.
Welcome on. A sweet kind of love. The old lady doing it, you know? She's going across, you know? So we came a second time because we were waiting on the zip line, and it is like 1:30. So we have enough time, but me hungry, but me no want to go eat and then go up on the zip line. And then we're going to pay for the pictures after. Yeah, but that's my dad up there. You know, and say it's better than this river right now because he's been there before. And this is a new adventure for him. He didn't want to go on the rock climbing and the Anansi. Like, you know, I can't handle the stress. So we are just waiting on the zip line, and then after that we can leave. But it's a chill moment, you know. I'm hungry though, like literally hungry. But kind of miss Bestie though. Yeah, Bestie should have been here too. Bestie should have been here, but he has to work. But that's okay. I was thinking about the ATV. Should have done the ATV. Yeah. I wonder if we can do the AVT. We're at Mystic Mountain. If you don't know, what happened is because I have a local ID, I got charged 5,000. I think 5,000 something, I'm not sure. And then my dad, him not have the ID, so the charge for him would be 170 something US dollars, right? So in all, I think he paid 70 something pounds and then the $3,000 tip. Yeah. So that's that. So if you're coming, come with a local, the local pay and then give them a tip. Yeah. To get local price. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. So dry chicken?
Yeah, you can taste that dry chicken.
Oh, you don't taste that? So you get the sauce.
Alright, let me turn on. That's what it is. When are we there?
I'm in that too.
When you're just going to video videos.
You want to? Okay, exit.
Then you know why good.
Yeah, man.
Hello.
Let us make a little say the place existing place.
Going on the zip line right now.
Me can't bail out, right?
No, you already reached. You can't bail out.
Me can't bail out. That's my choice, innit?
You cannot bail out.
That's my choice.
I one experience you have with me, so just come. You have to see it through. Shh.
I don't
You're
like
scaring. Shh.
I don't like it.
It's fun, right, guys? Yeah. It's fun.
I've been on it already.
Yeah, and it's easy, right? Okay.
So let us lead by each
When I'm young, I can't take it.
At the bottom.
So my name is Miguel, the next guy is Nesta, alright? So we're gonna be a tour guide for this evening. So we got two easy and simple rules on tour today. So rule number one, follow the instruction of your guide. Your job today is to do what? Have fun, right?
Right.
Yes, our job is to ensure that you're safe. Cool? Alright, so rule number two. Do not touch or play with the equipment, alright? Anything you need, you ask me or the next guy. We're glad to help, alright? Alright, so once you're connected, you're gonna be seated like this. Knees bent, ankles crossed, hold on to your T1 right there. Alright, so guys, the reason for leaning back, the guide operator braking system on the next side. So when coming to a stop, the braking system is gonna bang on these pulleys, alright? So you might touch you forward like this, so lean all the way back and hold on to the T-bar. We don't want nobody damaging our
Don't hold on to the thing, hold on to this.
Alright, so
yeah.
when coming into a stop, boxes like these are provided at each station, so try to land on top of them and not inside of them. Okay. Good? Good. Alright, so if you get coming across, you lift the legs all the way up so we can help you to land on the box. Good?
Alright.
Alright. Alright, so guys, the last but most important, never ever grab to these cables while coming across. Bad for business and bad for fingers, and we got no fingers left in the gift shop.
Alright.
Cool?
Alright.
Alright, so we're gonna do a total of 5 of these lines and a swinging bridge and a staircase. Any questions? Ready?
Yeah.
Boy, you
want to go first?
You go in front of me.
Alright, so for the next
one. He was gonna sing over there.
That's him. Extra.
I saw you have to do it.
No, I him choose to do it that way. Just sit down.
So I go first.
Yeah, you're the first one.
You don't like it still.
You want me to jump on my big head?
My big head.
How long is it ride?
10 minutes,
5 right.
I'm not sure, Pop.
You're not sure?
It's my first time down here.
Ready?
Go. Hey, wait.
Oh, we come back.
He's a
Slow down. Slow down. The man at turn back. Turn back. Yes, I want me to turn back.
Father.
Slow down, slow down, slow Yeah, you have 4 more. You have 4 more.
Come in the boss. Up on the box. I put on my box.
You say, want to get it over with.
Hold on.
Sit down.
Almost. I'm sleeping there. Hold on. No boss. Come back.
Come back, come back. Ready?
Hold on. Turn the other way. Turn the other way. Turn the other way.
What do you mean? I don't know what you're talking about.
Turn up on the box.
You got that?
Yes. 2 more to go.
Lady. The next. Lady, no.
Hey, extra, you know?
So guess what? He's gonna take the break off. So you're gonna catch him. So you're gonna stand right here. You're gonna go like this.
You really have to like.
Yeah, bro, stick your legs out. She's gonna catch him.
No, don't do it.
I'm gonna move.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, I can't. Mommy.
You see, your first day on the job. We trust in our life with you.
I watch a lot of YouTube videos.
Oh, wow. That's diabolical.
I pretend I'm not here.
I'm crying, okay?
Do we have to really trust Mystic Mountain for this? First day on the job.
Oh, yeah. We trust in our life with Nesta.
Yeah, Nesta Marley.
Yeah. Nesta. Yeah, my bitch is gonna fight. Fight on that fighting, yeah. I know my mother's gonna lie. It's my life. Papa first.
We didn't been here to look for this one. Walk. Don't jump off here.
You don't have to hold on nothing, right?
What? Stop that!
Nesta!
What? We stress out.
Number 25. Look. 25. Look. It's right there. You see it.
That even bush in a seat. Yeah.
It's probably going to stop
I'm far. You go all the way down.
Just put on the glasses.
You might sing. Put on the dog.
You ready?
You go first. Have to clear the way.
Alright, so guys, so this one is the last and longest one, alright? So this one takes like 2 days Jamaican time to complete.
How much?
No way.
48 hours.
No way.
2 days.
Alright, so my boss, see up on the flip side. If they make it,
You go first. Alright.
You go and make up behind.
So why?
Money box.
Oh yeah, you can agree.
You reach now. Eh? You reach, you can't get stuck. Probably dropping drop off. Drop off.
Copy. What your next one day?
Drop out, you know.
Jaja.
One more, sir. Hey, drop out your bag.
They
Drop
drop
down there,
off.
sir. I don't know about that. Don't worry about that.
It's expensive, you know?
Is it?
Yes.
Throw it in the bag. It might be in the Put it away, man.
You can't go in there. You have to put it in your pocket.
In my pocket?
Yeah.
I put it in my
Then I walk on over the sun.
You come with your bike?
Hmm?
I was in the bike.
It was pinned on.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
But I drop this on.
No, drop it. You can't drop this on.
That's more expensive, though.
If you tell you.
See, screw looking at the last.
Stop! No, no. It's like when I lost my AirPods.
You lost the AirPods?
Yeah.
When?
Just a while ago.
Oh, we went that.
No, it dropped off of the bag and one drop out of the case.
Oh, off my last one?
Yeah.
Is it on the platform?
One this the on the platform and one drop through the something.
Why free? Why free?
How was it?
It was good.
You find the fear of heights?
Wait a minute.
Eh?
I thought that wasn't taping.
It's taping, not what?
Is that why you put in the ears?
No, I know that last. They the one in my ears last.
Yeah, but there's one left in there.
What? Yeah, one leaving there. Well, yes, it is Saturday and it's 6:35 and I don't know if received the vlog yet. Is it? Alright, let's wait. Alright, so yesterday I had like sinus issues. The bestie gave me pill and I was knocked out. Like we went out last night and all I wanted to do was sleep. And he was wondering what was wrong with me. And I was wondering what was wrong with me. And the pill knocked me out. You know. So that's what happened, okay? But let me tell you, the previous clip we went to Summit. Me and the girls went to Summit. And my experience, our experience, it wasn't all that. The vibes is there, like if you want to go out and have a little chill moment with your friends or families. And if you want to do like a games night, it was really good. But as it relates to the food, to me personally, it was disappointing. And I even had to return like an item to get back my money because I'm not going to pay something for something and I don't like it. So it wasn't all that. And I think maybe because it's Thursday and not all the hype style was there. So that is what happened. We went to Jabba's. The soup wasn't bad from Jabba's. Um, but the other places that, well, the smoothie stand, it was good. That was the only thing that we liked as it relates to food. And the soup wasn't bad at Jabba's. So yeah, that is our experience. Would we go back? Yeah, probably on another day. Or probably just for the games. And it's very expensive, let me tell you that. For a plate of fries, it's $500, and that never made no sense to me. And then for like a loaded fries, it's for $2,800. And then you have lobster, you have a variety of stuff. But and for a soup, a little cup of soup, $500. Like, the price is too much. But anyway, I just want to tell you sorry for releasing the vlog this late. I want to know how best can I communicate with you guys, because I realize that whenever I post on my community tab here on YouTube, you guys don't see it or you don't notice it. Because last week I post that I wasn't able to release the vlog, and many people messaged me asking me what happened to the vlog. Do you think that Instagram is the best medium to communicate through? And if so, follow me on my Instagram so that I can let you know what's up, what's going on, and I can probably talk to you guys more over that side. My mom is calling, so yeah, see you later. Thank you for watching this video, and if you reach this far in the video, please to comment our green heart. Do we have green heart though? If we don't have green heart, put blue heart. But if you do have green heart, put green heart in the comment. And I don't know why I even put in green heart. You know what? Put blue heart. Blue heart. Yes. In the comment. Thank you for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Please to turn on the notification. Click all notifications so that you can get all of my videos. And guys, I'm going to work on giving you more videos. I'm going to work on that. But these days has been really busy for me, and I apologize. So just give me grace. Give me grace. And as you can see by the vlog, I've been going places, and many stuff I have not even included in the vlog, because some things you just have to keep private. But I've been up and about like every day. I think it was just yesterday. Did I go anywhere yesterday? Yeah, yes, I went yesterday. I think it was the day before. No, man, I feel like every day of the week I've been on the road. And because of that, I've not had the time to edit. And yeah, so I apologize. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Okay? Alright. Bye-bye.